Please, we beg you. Please, we beg you. Take your phone.
Just take your phone.
Please, take your phone. Boy, make her give her the phone. For phone man, boy.
Hey, 12 Pro Max. 12 Pro Max.
To me, 12 Pro Max now.
Forgetting on boy.
Forget some.
Forget to some. We are.
You find a
forget. I know Australia, sir. Asa, my friend, o phone way. My friend, chairman. I mean, me for phone man.
Boy,
now we ain't quite bit man and bear 100 and something.
Boy, charges. I'm comment to me. Phone. Shall I make a
fresh chama. As a phone and we bet me cry a man bear 20,000.
What again? Get the picture that's no.
And I say, no, dear. Oh, that or chama no buy bet match and say, one of those one with my
And then the sa boy get on the moon.
So a fine girl.
No for pa.
Chama. Oh, now you know phone, you know, you're not phone view. We're 12 Pro Max cry. We are brand new, and mono.
Boy.
See, I need to me crash shower. Oh, for come up with it. You bet me crash shower a PZ one. No, not with the amount. We are brand new. We are the man about 20,000 price. Hello.
Adam.
Hello.
Please, we beg you. Please, we beg you. Take your phone.
Just take your phone.
Please take your phone. Please, we beg you. Hey, I told you. Someone, it can be a nearly pan one number.
So, we didn't see them.
No, we ought to womb. Far. Was young. Hey, you. Hey, someone on the office. Boy, hey, I'm tired, Charlie.
Bro,
You this guy, you see?
I see what
You see?
I see what
This good don't love him. This good don't have mercy
you know,
for anyone.
Goat, Ben.
I said ghost. What the meaning of good?
Like the way you dey talk goat. You know be goat, it's be ghost. I thought they go school, you know what I mean?
I say someone bluff means ghost.
Okay.
Ghost.
But for real, Charlie, that girl, she doesn't laugh. Like she has found her face, like she get beat. I don't understand.
Beautiful ghosts don't laugh.
But she fine.
She fine. But she get move face. Charlie.
You didn't tell me, woman.
Next time, what the person you want to.
How will I know? How will I know she be ghost? How will I know? I didn't know.
Cha, I'm tired. Make you go and rest. My belly. I'm tired.
My phone.
Hey! Your phone.
But we gave your phone to you. We gave it to you.
My phone.
We gave your phone to you. Right here. Here. You collected your phone. So what phone are you talking about?
Your phone has been given to you. You want double phone?
My phone.
Take.
Hey!
Give your phone to her. Give it to her.
Ghost, you want 3 phones. Hey! Take all, Take, go.
My phone.
Hey!
Mommy, Ade.
Why? You want my body?